Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Siemens brand 7 kg front load washing machine eye sensoric. This machine having problem. Actually it is earlier we repaired the machine. Now actually machine is running well, but customer sometime telling it is not the always randomly the water leaking from the machine. Because of that we went to the customer house, we checked, but we are not able to find out. We couldn't find the where is the leaking point from the machine. Because of that we already collected from the customer house, and this is actually now it's running. You can see. I will explain to you what is the exactly problem. We will go to the next step. Now I will explain to you what is the exactly problem. You can see something here, too much bubbles, because after collecting from the customer this machine I never use bubble, but I use some fabric to check, because now I found the problem. This customer actually I already discussed with the customer also. Now I will pause the machine. Also now I can open the door. You can see here. You can see dear friends inside, because I never use any detergent. Now while checking time, just I fix here only the fabric only for the checking. Now you can find out the problem. This is actually customer using this customer using actually the branded detergent from the market, but you know here everywhere it's having the branded name, but quality wise very poor. This machine I am not going to tell the what is the brand exactly. This one, while you go to the supermarket, you have to buy any detergent the recommended for the washing machine, good brand detergent, liquid or powder or tablet, whatever. But now you can see this is the problem. Customer use something low quality, cheapest detergent for the washing machine. This bubble going here and there, after coming here out, it's like that. It should come to the drain outlet. Also here bubble coming from the here detergent drawer. Also everywhere bubbles coming. At that after filling the down, bubble is becoming water. This is the complaint actually. Now I have to tell you again I am telling. Earlier also I did the same video. While you are going to buy any supermarket or any shopping mall, don't buy cheapest detergent for the washing machine. It is very cheap, but your washing machine, expensive washing machine. You can see here this Siemens machine. This is IQ 300. This machine is very expensive here. This is a model brand model wise here, WM10K200 GC/26. This is very expensive machine here in UAE. Please don't buy any cheapest detergent from the market. After that you have to spend unnecessary your money. Because of that I'm telling, I having so many customers, so many complaints against this issue. I will show you the any other customer complaint also. Now we will go to the next step. Hi dear friends, actually recently I got so many complaints, because the customers giving call to us after repairing its water leaking somewhere, and we attend already 2-3 complaints, but we try to resolve the issue. We explain to the customer how to avoid this one. That is our responsibility. We have to explain to the customer. Now I'm going to show you that type of 2-3 cases here. I having already videos. I'm going to show you. This case is actually the Siemens washing machine, which is I make the video. This one you can see without, I'm using without any drop detergent, just only for the checking. I start the machine, that much water came. This case is different case actually. This is one Bosch machine. That from the washing machine you can see here is shedding this one bubbles coming from the water drawer. This case also another case. This is LG machine. You can see here. This is 7 kg LG machine. It's too much bubbles come out This is another case actually. This one also one LG case. This one I already attended by myself. I visited customer house, and in front of the customer I use which is the customer using detergent powder to the machine, and that is actually branded detergent powder. The thing is actually it's not mentioning high efficiency. It should be if it is mentioning high efficiency only, we can use the front loader machine, because you know the inbuilt heater also working, the water hardener also, especially Middle East water hardener is very high. Now all the bubbles came here and there, it's gone. You can see here it is already got rust because of the bubble. I opened the front panel. This is the customer using actually. It's not mentioning anywhere high efficiency. It should be somewhere high efficiency, but in that case it is not written with the label. Now this you can see within few minutes its bubble forming is too much. We are not able to find out inside the fabric or not, because that much bubble came. But it is I'm telling again, it is branded in UAE, but the thing is it's not mentioning high efficiency. That's why it's that much bubble too much with the washing machine. This case actually we are occurring so many cases only for the front loader washing machine, but top loader washing machine is not it's complaining because the too much shut actually it's coming too much. While you are using detergent, any detergent you have to buy from the market less suds, otherwise it's happening the same thing. Now you can see here I open the door. That much you can see that it is working or not, we are not able to find out. Machine drum rotating, we cannot find out. I open the door here. Also so many detergent, actually its bubbles too much came. Also this customer using this type of detergent, you can see I'm not going to show the brand name actually. The thing is it's not actually HE, that means high efficiency, it's not mentioning. Also this is suitable for the semi-automatic washing machine. It's not, we are not recommending for the front loader washing machine. That's why I took this picture also video. Now you can see, dear friend, this case is actually the same. This detergent, the customer continuously use the semi-automatic washing machine powder. We went to the customer and we explained that now totally it's damaged machine. It is very expensive machine, Samsung brand. All the bubbles came down. Here it is already corroded. Also here drain motor and all is got shorted. That totally damaged. Very expensive machine. This is 20 kg Samsung. This machine. Now I'm going to explain to you how to avoid this type of cases, and we will go to the next step and I will explain to you. Too many bubbles we are calling overshading in front of loader is a common issue because these machines use significantly less water than top loader. When there is too much foam, it creates a sud lock that can prevent the machine from draining, leave overdue on cloth, and even leak from the dispenser drawer. That's been actually some washing machines having safety method. That's been preventive. The washing machine, it's coming error message. It's too much sud. It will come SC error, the DE error. It's like that. It's error message coming and getting stopped at the same time. Water draining outside. That is because of the safety. Here is how we can stop the bubble right now and prevent from returning. One immediate fix: if the machine is full of bubbles, pause and wait, stop cycle and let it for 30 minutes to allow the suds to settle naturally. That means if your washing machine too much bubble come, at the same time you have to stop and keep it at least 30 minutes. until settle down bubbles. That's mean actually all the suds bubble become water with dissolving with the water. Because of that, you have to wait 30 minutes. After that, it will be okay. The other thing is the fabric softener trick. The power 1K capful of liquid fabric softener mixed with the little water into the detergent drawer. Fabric softener is a natural deformer and will help call up the bubbles instantly. Also, the rinse and spin. Once the suds leave settle, run a rinse and spin cycle with no extra detergent. Without using any extra detergent, you can select the spin rinse and spin cycle. That's mean where while you select the spin cycle, at the same time water taking high quantity of water taken to the machine. At the same time, machine will start that with the high water quantity dissolving with the suds is become water. At that time also chance to reduce bubbles. Now I'm going to tell you how to avoid into the future. The most common causes is using the wrong type of amount detergent and wrong type of detergent. That's mean actually, especially the made for front loader washing machine, do you have to buy that one only? I'm telling always. Now the detergent type, only use high efficiency detergent. A regular detergent creates too many suds for the low water level in front of load in front of front loader washing machine. Look for the HE, that's mean high efficiency logo bottle, any cover. Everywhere we have to check before buying the high efficiency detergent powder. Only we have to check, we have to buy for the front loader washing machine. The detergent amount use much less than you think. For a front loader washing machine, you usually only need 1 to 2 tablespoons of liquid detergent for a full load. Never fill to the max. Line the drawer unless you have massive, heavily solid load. Also, soft water. If you have water softener at home, detergent become even more effective. You may only need 1 tablespoon only the soap. That's mean actually the especially Middle East countries, I found the water hardness is very high. Because of that, inbuilt heater all the front loader washing machine having, at that time it's water becoming water. If it is water hardness also very high, it's chance to forming too many bubbles from the machine. That one also we have to think. Also, reduce build up. The old soap, that's mean the old soap can be hide the drum, run tub clean cycle 90 degree with the 90 degree Celsius with an empty machine and a cup of white vinegar once a month. Clear out all residues. That's mean actually I'm thinking you getting my point. That's mean the after washing our cloth in end of the cycle, it's some detergent. For example, we are using powder detergent. Some the like a tablet is coming like a balls. You can find that balls is not dissolving with the water. It's somewhere it's hiding in between drum and gasket. Also, what do you call that? Lifters. Everywhere it will hide. Because of that, we have to avoid that one. Every month, actually, we have to clean the tub. We have to realize that we have to select the tub clean option. After that, it will come automatically 90 degrees Celsius. Also, at that time, you have to use one vinegar, white vinegar, 1 tablespoon. After that, all the hidden detergent it will go. Now I'm thinking you know how to avoid this case. Also, I'm explaining to you. I'm telling. If you are not using your washing machine, your housemaid or somebody else using, just your duty to explain to the customer, explain to her or him how to use this machine, because you are unnecessary, you are wasting your money. Because of that only I make this video, because so many cases is actually recently it came. because the water hardness, everything, they don't have any idea. The front loader washing machine, it is using for the front loader or semi-automatic top loader, but our duty to explain to them. Because of that only I make this video. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.